Hey, BidPak family, we have some big news. We just launched a powerful new feature to give you more flexibility while estimating and on the job. You can now add components directly to your project takeoff or your purchase orders. While assemblies are great for standard repeatable setups, real-world contracting is rarely copy and paste. This update bridges that gap between your initial estimates and the unpredictable realities in the field. The core benefits of this new update are you can add a single component right to your project while you're doing the design or estimate. This will streamline your service calls as well. Pull some material off your van, add it directly to your project, and invoice your customer for that. Or unpredictable field modifications where we thought we were going to have it designed one way, but when we hit reality, things changed and we needed to make an adjustment on the purchase order before buying materials. I'm going to walk you through this really quick and kind of show you how this works and how we can add just a single component to a project. So let's say we're working on this EV charger hardwired and we just needed to add, let's just say 6 feet of liquid tight flex for some reason. So we'll just go right to our component library. We'll type in there insert liquid tight and we'll just go flex and we'll find our 1/2 inch liquid tight flex right there. We're going to add that. And we're going to add 6 feet of that. And there you see it. It comes in directly under the work package and then gets added directly into the. So that's great. But also now let's say if we were on a service call and the customer wanted to just add a single USB receptacle, and that was what we needed to add. So we're going to go to our truck. We're going to grab the receptacle, but we want to make sure we invoice the customer for that. So again, we're going to go right to our component catalog. We're going to put the wiring devices in. We're going to grab receptacles. We're going to find the 15 amp USB receptacle we want, and we're going to add that right to the project as well. So both of these will be able to add that component directly to your project and be able to get that taken care of. But now let's walk through this. As soon as this project gets awarded, and now we're getting ready to go do the field installations. I'm going to submit this to myself really quick as all BidPak projects. And then I'm going to look at that and I'm going to approve it here just so we have an approved project. There you go. And now when we get over to the purchase order side and we go to create that purchase order, now what we thought we were going to do with that 6 inch flex or liquid tight flex, really we don't want that anymore. So we're going to add a component directly here and we're going to switch that out to, let's just say Conduit PVC, and we'll switch that right out to 3/4 inch. And so we're just going to add 1 stick of 3/4 inch PVC to the conduit. That adds right to the purchase order, but that does not add to your contract price of the project. So again, that is a great way to modify what you thought you were going to use when you were designing it versus what the field conditions are when it comes down to it. So that's adding a single component to the project. Very incredible, very powerful addition to BidPak and BidPak features. And again, thank you for tuning in today. And I wanted to give a huge shout out to everybody in the BidPak community. And we are on a mission to bring order to the electrical contracting industry, streamlining everything from task-based designs and accurate estimating to purchase orders, so businesses can manage and grow with clarity. So your feedback is always valuable and is great for us. So we really appreciate that. And so go ahead and check out the new add component feature on your desktop or your tablet today and let us know your thoughts. As always, just keep building, and we love hearing from you guys. Thank you.